We don't know how long we're stuck in this quarantine, which is why I decided to do something drastic. I'm growing my own food. Maybe quickly add to that, it's just gonna be herbs for now. I'm still figuring out how to grow my own cheese. What's up YouTube, welcome to the video. My name is Tom and on this channel I make weekly videos on fitness, healthy foods and lifestyle. And if you haven't yet, definitely smash that subscribe button down below and we'll get this video started. Today we're making, what's this noise? What's this, is that a rattlesnake? No, it's not a rattlesnake, these are herb seeds. We are planting herbs today. We are planting some dill, some chives, some parsley, also cilantro, because why not, and some basil of course. It's gonna be a practical video. I'm gonna show you how to plant these seeds in a tiny apartment like mine, because you don't really need a big garden to plant seeds. Obviously it helps, but you don't really need a lot of space to plant seeds. So let's get into the video. In order to start planting, of course, we're gonna need some fresh potting soil. This one is 20 liters. It's not liquid or anything, but yeah, it's expressed in liters. I don't know why. We're gonna use this to put our soil into. You can find this basically in any gardening store, so don't worry about it. If you don't have the facilities,
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Take a plastic bottle, cut it about in half, and you'll have a great substitute. And we're starting off with some fresh dill. I often use this one in combination with raw smoked salmon. It really makes a great combination, or with any fish dish, and especially some raw smoked salmon salad with some tomatoes, some pasta. It can really turn the salad into something great. Make sure you're planting 1 centimeter beneath the soil. Cover it with some soil, and next up water it. And that's basically it. The next one we're making is some fresh parsley. This one is filled with vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin K, and also has amazing antioxidant benefits. And that's our parsley done. Again, parsley is great to add to any dish and make it fresh again. And the next one is basil. This one is one of my personal favorites because it goes great with any dish you make. And it's especially great in combination with eggs and tomatoes. And you can also make some green pesto with this, so it's a pretty good herb. Next to that, it's also full in vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin K, and also rich in iron. Those are the seeds. Pour in some seeds, yeah, that should be enough, and then just cover it up again. And that's our basil done. And the next one is chives. Now, what I like about chives is you don't really need any specific dish to add it to, and it makes the dish taste fresh all of a sudden. This might also be a good idea if you're having some guests over. Yeah, just get some frozen meals and put this on top of the frozen meals. Obviously not the seeds, but the actual chives. And yeah, people will start thinking it's fresh. So let's just add some chives as well. Again, just seeds, nothing special. That's enough, I think. And the next one is cilantro. Now this one is a gourmet essential. You have to have this one. You need fresh cilantro in your herb collection. This helps us make very nice burritos, tacos, Mexican burgers, so it's pretty, yeah, I would say it's a must. Now for an amazing life hack with the cilantro, in a previous video I showed I was growing an avocado. It's right in here. Now if the avocado starts growing and we have some fresh cilantro, we would be able to make an infinite amount of guacamole. FBI, open up! So the cilantro seeds are quite big in comparison to the other seeds we have. And now for the thyme. We've made a special pot. We didn't make it, we bought the pot. Filled it with some soil, and then we're gonna move some of the soil like this. And we're gonna, this one is a seed patch. Just put the patch inside, stomp it a little bit, and then add some soil on top. And that's every seed planted. All we need now is to put some water on top of them, and yeah, just let them grow. It's gonna take them a few weeks to start growing. I'm quite impatient. I just feel like I need to dig them up every once in a while to see how they're doing, but just don't do that. Don't touch them. Wait a few weeks and they will be fully grown. So I hope you like this video. Give this video a like, comment down below what your favorite herbs are. And also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.